Yo, welcome back to the channel. So today we're back at the construction site for month 15. So you can see there's lots of scaffolding as usual. So let's waste no more time and get the drone in the sky. Hope you all enjoy.
Takeoff. Home point updated.
There we go, month 15 done. See you all again next month for month 16.